Manipulation is a much more common and subtle mind game than you might think. It can secretly influence almost every part of your life, from your workplace to friendships, even family relationships. Today, we'll dive deep into 5 dark psychological manipulation techniques frequently used in everyday life. By recognizing these tactics, you can spot them and protect yourself. For example, someone you just met constantly flatters you, making you feel special. But over time, this person starts asking for more and more from you, and you don't even question it. This isn't just a simple relationship, it's an example of manipulation. Now let's explore the psychological methods behind this in similar situations. Tactic 1, mirroring. Manipulators consciously imitate the behavior, gestures, and speech patterns of the person they want to influence to create trust and closeness. This triggers a feeling of similarity and belonging in our brains because people tend to trust those who seem like themselves. For example, if someone mirrors your word choices or posture during a job interview, it's likely a deliberate attempt to influence you. While this tactic helps build social bonds, manipulators use it for their own gain. Tactic 2, guilt trap. This tactic is about controlling someone by triggering feelings of guilt. Manipulators appear to do favors, but expect something in return. And when those expectations aren't met, they make you feel guilty. For instance, someone who frequently helps you might say, "I've done so much for you, now it's your turn." This feeling suppresses your free will and manipulates you. Guilt is a powerful weapon, especially in emotionally close relationships. Tactic 3, gaslighting. Gaslighting is a psychological manipulation method aimed at distorting a person's perception of reality. The manipulator makes you doubt yourself by denying their harmful actions. They might say things like, "You're remembering it wrong," or "You're overreacting." This erodes self-confidence and creates self-doubt. Gaslighting is often used in long-term relationships to maintain control and can seriously damage mental health. Tactic 4, fear and threats. Manipulators sometimes use direct threats or subtle intimidation tactics to control others. This can sound like, "If you don't do this, there will be consequences." Such threats prevent people from making free decisions by creating fear and anxiety. This tactic is common in workplaces where a boss intimidates employees or in relationships where one partner threatens the other. Fear is a powerful tool manipulators exploit to shape behavior. Tactic 5, high expectations and expecting returns. Manipulators set unrealistically high expectations for others and expect something in return when those are met, sometimes making this explicit. This tactic makes you feel obligated to keep doing more, creating a never-ending sense of indebtedness. As a result, you feel exhausted and drained because the manipulator's demands never end. This method is both emotionally and physically taxing. How can we protect ourselves? Recognizing these techniques is the first step toward protecting yourself. Pay close attention to the behavior of those around you. If something feels off, don't ignore that feeling. Setting healthy boundaries, creating distance when necessary, and seeking support are effective ways to safeguard your well-being. Minds are complex, and manipulation techniques exploit this complexity. Learning and understanding these psychological games is key to reclaiming your freedom. For more eye-opening content and psychology secrets, subscribe to our channel because the mind is full of mysteries, and together we'll uncover them.